welcome to today's video. In this session, we'll be introducing Java by writing a simple program to print Hello World. Before we begin, please make sure you have a Java IDE installed. If you already have one set up, feel free to use it. If not, you'll first need to install Java using the link provided in the description. I also recommend downloading a beginner-friendly IDE, such as IntelliJ IDEA, which is the one I'm using right now. I've included its download link below as well. Let's get started. First, let's get an idea of what Java is. Java is a high-level, object-oriented programming language developed by Sun Microsystems, now owned by Oracle. It's known for its portability, write once, run anywhere, because Java programs can run on any device with the Java Virtual Machine, or JVM. Java is widely used in web development, mobile apps, especially Android, enterprise software, and even game development. It's a great language for beginners because of its strong community, well-structured syntax, and the fact that it teaches strong programming fundamentals. The Java Virtual Machine is a key part of how Java works. When you write Java code, it's first compiled into something called bytecode, which is a platform independent code. The JVM then interprets or compiles this bytecode into native machine code based on the device it's running on. So no matter if you're on Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, the same Java program can run thanks to the JVM. We'll use this in the main program later in the video. Now let's move on to writing your first Java program. First, we have to open a project, which I already opened. So now that I have my Java project, I have to open my class. I have to define my class. So to do that, I right-click Java, New. First, I open a package. The package's name will be called the example. And now that I have my package, now I open my class and define it. So Java class, and my Java class's name will be Hello World. Now that you have your class, now we can start by adding our main method. So just for confirmation, our class in Java serves as a blueprint for creating objects. So now that we're ready, we can now start by adding the main method. To do that, we type public static void main string square brackets and then args. Now that you have that, now we have our main method in. So our main method, it's the line that defines the entry point for any Java program. So let's break it down. Public makes a method accessible from anywhere, even outside the class. Static means a method can be called without creating an instance of the class. Void indicates that the method does not return any value. Main is the name of the method recognized by Java Virtual Machine, which we talked about in the start of the video. And string args, which represents array of strings, which allows a command line arguments to be passed to the program. So now after we set up our main method, we have to type the following line: system dot out dot println double quotes hello world. So this line prints hello world to the console. Now we run our program by first building it. And now that we built it, we have to now we have to edit our configurations. So I already added a past configuration. I'm not going to use that one. For you have to right click application, make a configuration by clicking the plus button. I don't have to do that since I already have one. So I'm using Java 17. So here I do Java 17. I'm using hello world.main, and here our package's name is calm the example. So I do calm the example dot our class's name, which is hello world. So let's add that hello world. Okay. Okay, now that I added a hello world, now we click OK, and now we can finally run. Now you go above, it should have printed hello world. And that's all for today's introduction. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you next time.